Hello, and welcome to SmythOS's monthly product update video series. We have 5 exciting updates to share today. Our first update is form previews. Say goodbye to long setup times when testing your agent's API endpoints. With form previews, you can now run API calls instantly in an intuitive, structured UI, drag and drop files, input data, and execute requests without extra configuration, and see your real-time outputs, including structured responses, logs, and processing details. Whether you're testing image recognition, text processing, or external API integrations, Form Preview allow you to compartmentalize and debug each step effortlessly. Our second update is new tools. We're introducing 2 new powerful components to SmythOS, Web Scrape and Web Search. It's now easier than ever to extract and retrieve information from the web with these 2 tools. Web Scrape allows you to pull content from web pages while selecting the format that best fits your workflow, whether it's structured text, HTML, or JSON. To ensure responsible use, some restrictions apply for automated scraping. Web Search enables real-time queries without needing an API key. Instantly fetch relevant information with options to include images, QA snippets, and raw page content from the link. These tools integrate seamlessly with form previews, so you can test and automate web data collection without any extra setup. Our third update is analytics. Keeping track of AI model usage and cost is now easier than ever. Our enhanced analytics dashboard gives you a detailed breakdown of costs across models, tools, and agents. We also have a daily usage trend chart that's interactive and visual, helping you spot patterns. You can filter for deeper analysis through individual team spaces, agents, or time periods. And we also have a one-click export button so you can easily share reports within your team. No more guesswork. Understand exactly where your resources are going and optimize your AI usage like never before. Our fourth update is new AI models and Jobber integration. This month, we're introducing Claude 3.7 Sonnet for enhanced text processing and Flux for AI-powered image generation, both offering faster and more accurate results. We're also rolling out our Jobber integration, which makes it easy for service businesses to automate scheduling, invoicing, and customer management, all within SmythOS. And our last update is enhanced debugging and workflow tools. We're making debugging and workflow building more efficient than ever with 2 powerful new tools. The first tool is Prettify, which automatically formats and reorganizes your agent's workflow on the visual canvas, making complex processes easier to follow, edit, and optimize. Our second tool is Inspect Element, a deep dive debugging tool that lets you view execution logs, track data flow, and pinpoint errors in real time. With detailed run insights, including source files, variable states, performance metrics, you can quickly identify and resolve issues without sifting through raw logs manually. With these tools, we hope to give you more control and visibility in your agent building journey. And that's all for this month's product updates. Stay tuned for more from SmythOS. Visit our website and join our community to keep up with the latest features and enhancements. Let's build the future of AI together.